Box cover, welcome back to another Dutch Berry social media countdown. This is an abbreviated version because I've been so busy this week that I forgot to do like a home version. So just stay with me. So let's get right into it. Alright. Number 10, R.I.P. Prince. So pop superstar Prince died at his Paisley home in Minneapolis on the 21st of April. He was only 57-year-old. I'm want to say, big up to all them fans them, and I'm sure in music I gonna live on. Somebody up on Facebook and all of a sudden me hear the news that Prince died. I'm gonna say box cover because as a brother of a certain age, all me kinda know from Prince is but you say, look at ignorant people nowadays who don't really know no history. You ask them about Prince, they're gonna tell us that the only Prince them know is Prince Pine. Oh Jesus. Number 9, the Juliet Holness dress. So social media got a little bit out of hand when Madam First Lady, Miss Juliet Holness, wore this particular outfit to the state opening of Parliament. Some people just never like the look at all. But me personally, me think say they alright. She look elegant, she look lovely. It was a little bit churchish, but she still look at. One person wrote online, Miss Holness is serving Sister Scully. You better hurry up, realness. But you see, the only issue me have with Juliet Holness is who the backsfoot makes sure wear that high heel shoes to the opening of Parliament. I know say they're uncomfortable and it was going to be a struggle for her. Mr. Vega said the bad roads them cause it. Number 8, the pump and spray. Good news time! The pump and spray invented by Jamaican Jovan Evans is being used in Flint, Michigan to address the water crisis. Now this is a big boxfoot deal. You can imagine a little Jamaican youth that invent something that is being used by the great US of A. So once again, congrats Jovan. All the best. Number 7, so Johan Blake is our back. So Johan Blake displayed that he is back in winning form at the MVP track meet one day when he win in 9.95 seconds. A world leading time. And what I must say as of right now is that he don't want to be called the beast anymore. He must say from 2016 he must struggle with a bunch of injuries, and right about now he just want to focus on God and thank him and work on how to get back to full form. So what me want to know now is you can kind of stop growing nails them now because you say it used to give you a little courage for run. I don't know. Number 6, Spice a fight? No man, what a girl can make news. No sir, when she not broke man foot, escape from bombing, or drop one new breakout song is something else. So last week this video popped with two strong body woman a fight, I must say Walmart a foreign, and everybody and people are suspect say the woman in the pink or red wig is dancehall artist Spice.
Oh, we had her sleep.
I'm Spice, now you say no.
Me's a girl, me no fight over man.
Anyway, since then Spice has come out in the Star and say she was not the one in the video because no day name day, no girl cannot beat her up so. Beer badness back at that Spice. Number 5, Bob Marley on Snap. Box cover. So 420 National Weed Day was our day and Snapchat decided say it going come up with a filter to celebrate the day and them choose Bob Marley face to be one of the features them. But some people just were not or having it. Them never like the idea say Snapchat got choose to make Bob Marley the global weed mascot. And others just never like the idea say when white people do it, they would be having blackface. But what were your thoughts? Were you in agreement for Bob Marley to be this featured filter on Weed Day or not? And now check out the random video of the day. It's Michael Abraham's new song, Work. Well, Paul Berg. Check it out.
Work. Send me up, you try get rid of Paul Berg. So me I go work. To get rid of Berg. Me say him I feel learn. Say the tables I go turn. Yo! General Secretary, you joke it out like Dirty Berry. Oh, you up?
You hear my name in there? Number 4, Rihanna rejects Bolt. So you see in Bolt 3 years ago did an interview with TMZ Sports and him basically come out and declare him love and him interest for Rihanna. In the interview basically they reach out to her and say more and get for her and she should just holler at him so them can get the whole relationship and dating thing started. But 3 years later, all know Rihanna answer. Rihanna was like, oh no. Or Bolt. Oh no, lies I tell. Bolt rich! So TMZ caught up with Bolt one day and then asking Bolt what him think about Leonardo DiCaprio being linked to Rihanna. And this is what Bolt said. Bolt is said that Leonardo DiCaprio is no competition for him because him is tall, dark, and handsome. Big up your confidence. But in the meantime, Bolt is quite alright because him have a new girlfriend and she is hot. Isn't she Rihanna? No. You know, you're just bad man, you're just hating. Number 3, Jamaican chef. So congratulations to Jamaican-born chef Andre Fowles on making it to the finals of the Food Network's Chopped Champion. If you want to support Brand Jamaica and support this youth, make sure to tune into the Food Network pan. What the time? Tuesday the 26th at 9 p.m. pan the Food Network. Tune in, make a watch. Make sure you watch too. Number 2, don't blush, baby. No sir, my word, my sentence, my paragraph. No sir, ChrisGayle want to say congratulations on the birth of your first child. Well, me just have to go when I read it online, don't it? With girlfriend Natasha. So Chris is now the father of a baby girl, and him choose to name the little baby girl Blush. You tell me no. Y'all remember the little controversy, the little mix up something with the little Australian reporter? No, so you know, say a real article proper celebrity when I can give pitney them weird, unique name there. Because I'm not wrong here, because any day me start have my 4 pitney them gonna name Black, Knees, Holly, and Straw. You can imagine a little girl go do something wrong, and Chris Afro gonna be like, do not blush. Don't blush. Put it down. Do not blush. But wait, let's stick up in. What people want to know is that Chris did have this girl pregnant, or did have a girlfriend while in the day in Australia. I look the reporter. And number 1 goes to Dutchberry. Guest judge is on Magnum Kings and Queens of Dance Hall. Yes, so last week Saturday I got the amazing opportunity to be a guest judge on Magnum Kings and Queens of Dancehall, and boy, I made it nervous. The entire day I just stay bathroom in the toilet because I just couldn't contain myself. So Saturday I get the call, Sanjay called me like somewhere around 1 o'clock or 12 o'clock and asked me now, yo, you want to be a guest judge? And I was like, I guess. And the whole entire day, I was just so nervous, I was so anxious, I was excited. I never know if I go flop because I say, you know, Magnum Kings and Queens is a little, yo, weed man. Yeah, Avi does that type of show. I say, well, little box, come on. Whoa, what am I gonna do there? But you know, I went there and it was pretty awesome, it was pretty fun. And I got to sit beside Professor Nutt, and I trust me, like, and the day when we get the guest judge, Yannick and Miss Kitty came back to the show. It couldn't get better than that. It was one big happy family, and then bring me in it as a little mix-up boy for us piece everything together. I guess. And it was fun. I saw Kitty me yell up, she cool. I see Yannick, she me yell up, she cool. Yeah. More than showing some of the highlights them, but I'm kinda still afraid of TVJ. I'm gonna want to get to the no more problem. A lot of people have been saying, oh, TVJ, I try and make up back friends and add them something there. I honestly don't think it's TVJ. I think it's just Magnum contact me because them are the one who in charge of the show. It only air on TVJ. I'm honest, not even things that TVJ didn't know about it until it showed on TV.
They wanna be like me. I put up on me, and one of them don't make me.
You're just 5 clocks. Do not make me pass bad remark.
Where we are go, mom, no put up on one in the...
So much deserving talent, but only one will be the beneficiary of 1 million. Time is ticking away on tonight's show here on the Magnum Kings and Queens of Dancehall.
Alright, that is it, peeps. Thanks for watching another Dirty Berry social media countdown. Make sure that you like it, share, you comment, and subscribe. Until next week, I'm actually back in the studio and my voice can come back. I can give you a better video. Alright, but make this one go on. Peace out. Bye bye.